Rolling over your 401k into an IRA might sound straightforward, but there are several common mistakes that can easily trip you up, risking your retirement savings. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process, making sure you avoid these pitfalls and secure your wealth for the future. But first, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, I recommend clicking the first link in the description to grab a free guide on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their assets, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k. It's one of the smartest moves you can make as you prepare for retirement. Now let's dive into the critical mistakes to avoid when rolling over your 401k into an IRA. First, one of the biggest errors is not fully understanding your options. You might think all IRAs are created equal, but that's simply not the case. There are traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and even gold IRAs, each with its own tax implications and benefits. Gold IRAs, for example, have become a top choice for many high net worth retirees who want to hedge against inflation and market volatility. When done right, a gold IRA offers significant protection for your wealth that traditional investment IRAs simply can't match. Another mistake retirees make is failing to do their research on the fees associated with the new IRA. These can add up over time, eating into your savings. If your new IRA has high fees, your retirement could be compromised. While you might be tempted by the idea of low-cost options, always consider how those fees impact long-term growth. In contrast, gold IRAs often have lower fees associated with them, especially with certain custodians who specialize in precious metals, and they can offer greater stability in times of economic downturn. A third mistake is not managing the tax implications properly. When you roll over your 401k, there's potential for tax penalties if you don't follow the correct process. For example, if you don't execute a direct rollover from your 401k to an IRA, you might face a 20% withholding tax on the distribution, which can be a significant loss. This is why it's essential to work with a professional who can help you navigate the process correctly. Next, many retirees overlook the importance of keeping track of the rollover timeline. The IRS gives you a 60-day window to complete your rollover without incurring penalties or taxes, and missing that deadline can trigger unwanted consequences. If you're unsure about the timing, it's better to err on the side of caution and ask for help. Setting things up the right way from the start is key to avoiding future problems. It's also essential to not rush the decision-making process. A common mistake is rolling over your 401k into a traditional IRA without fully considering other options that might better align with your financial goals. Gold IRAs, for instance, have been gaining popularity as they allow you to diversify your portfolio beyond just stocks and bonds. If you're looking for protection against economic uncertainty, a gold IRA might be the best solution for you. Lastly, many retirees don't take advantage of expert advice. You don't have to do it alone. Working with a financial advisor who has experience in IRA rollovers can help ensure everything goes smoothly. They can also introduce you to better options like gold IRAs that provide greater security for your retirement. Before we wrap up, if you're someone with 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 and plus in savings, now's the time to act. Gold IRAs are one of the best ways to protect your wealth, and if you don't already have one, you're leaving your retirement vulnerable. Be sure to click the link in the description to access your free Gold IRA guide. This will give you the information you need to make informed decisions about securing your wealth today. Remember, when rolling over your 401k into an IRA, avoiding these mistakes will set you up for a more secure future. Whether you choose a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, or even a gold IRA, making the right decision now can make all the difference down the road. Take control of your retirement and protect what matters most.